Hello and welcome back. Having discussed the translation of managerial problem into a researchable problem, let's look at the important steps to be followed in the problem identification process. At the end of this video, you will be familiarized with the various steps to be followed in formulating a research problem. The preliminary awareness about the research problem may not be clear or may lack ample focus or specificity. The researcher must be clear about a few associated questions. What to investigate? It gives a clarity on the topic of study and variables to be included in the study. Next, where to investigate? It indicates the geographical specificity of study. Third, how to investigate? It signifies the approaches and strategies to be conducted in the study. And fourth, who or what are to be the subjects of investigation. It points to the respondents to the study or item to be studied. It's also called unit of analysis. Having understood all these four factors, now let's understand the steps to be followed to formulate a well-stated research problem. The first step is to state a research problem in general way. This is a crude or tentative description of managerial decision problem. There must be absolute clarity about what is the purpose of getting this study done. The second step involved in the process of research problem identification is to understand the nature of the problem. What is the extent of problem? What are the underlying causes? Is the problem worth investigating? Can I investigate this? And so forth. The third essential step is to conduct an extensive survey on available literature. This step is to identify the knowledge gap in our area. It means how far the topic of study has been covered by previous researchers and what is left for us to investigate. In this stage, the researcher critically reviews the existing works in the area of study to identify gaps in the present knowledge level. The next step is to develop the idea through discussions. This is to get the problem in the right perspective. The researcher must discuss the tentative research problem and insights from literature survey with experts in the field to attain more clarity in the research problem. For example, when we want to study the antecedents of employee turnover in a company, it's better to consult the personnel manager in the company to have a deep understanding on its employees' policy. The last step in problem identification process is to rephrase the research problem into a working proposition. That is, the research problem becomes operational in this phase. Let's summarize what we have learned in this video. We discussed various steps to formulate a research problem in this video.